Hi everyone. Hello. My name is Kwame Jackson. I'm a computer science student at McKinley Technology High School, and this is my STEM fair project on the assignment on adhesive called movie ratings, it's a movie ratings walkthrough by me, Kwame Jackson. So, and sum up these pictures, the goal of the movie ratings assignment is to basically create a program that's going to allow you to input the name of a movie. Well, it don't have to be a movie that's out right now. Just a random name of a movie, and then the program is going to calculate the rating of that movie. And so this is the overview of my code right here. Later on in the video, I'm going to go into further depth when I give a live example of the code. So here's the pictures of them of the code, and basically what it is. Basically, what I did to solve the code was I used a series of double variables and ints to create formulas and the equations. Basically doing math, how I did math to solve the equation to figure out how it's going to calculate the rating of the movie. Typed in same thing as I say right here, and that's just a little picture I put up to prove that I did my code is correctly. And the strengths of the project that I did, of the coding assignment I did, was inputting my double variables, my int variables, and the print in and outs. Um, I figured this was the easiest part because mostly double variables and int variables and print in and outs are the ones of the code I understood the best, and I basically knew that's what I was going to need quite a bit of those in order to solve the code. And the thing I struggle with the most doing the coding activity is basically the doing the math portion of it, math portion of the code. I found that pretty difficult mainly because I had troubles understanding modulos and math coding and math in general, so I had to do extra practice in order to get it. And so what I learned from tech is, so during my coding career at tech, I started doing since the 10th grade, was I learned how to do Java, and I learned how to do Python. And also one of my greatest strengths is when I felt the most accomplished during my career at coding at tech was creating like a small video game from scratch. It was this game called Mousetrap. I did it was a scratch project back in 11th grade, and the most challenging thing I say from my coding career at tech was mostly doing the difficult coding assignments, such as the one I'm doing right now, the movie ratings. Because during my coding career, it's certain assignments that can prove to be quite difficult. And in the future, my backup careers is either being a video game creator or being in cybersecurity. But my top career choice is football player, businessman, a video game creator, or being in cybersecurity. And that's it for my presentation. So now we're gonna get to the fun part. Now we're gonna get to the fun part. Is here's the live example right here. Okay. All right. As you can see right here, I already did the live example. I already did the example. So now we're going to explain all this code right here. Okay, so we're going to start from right here. Basically, this is basic. This is gonna this is the starter of it. Just gonna print. Just gonna say enter the movie name. Is going to just and the string's going to do title scan that next line, and then once the next line, and then run the time minutes. This is the part right here. This is Time of minutes is going to ask you for the prompt right here. And this runtime, the double runtime here, this is going to be used to calculate. This is going to be this was the I use this and to help calculate the ratings of the focus of the movie right here, because when I entered the three ratings, I needed this part of the formula in order to calculate the percents. And then enter the ratings. Yep, same thing right here. Focus group. And here's the strings that's mixed together right here. Same thing, print ins, print outs, all of these right here. And here we go right here. Where's the formula? And here's the formula right here. When it was doing fourth rating, so for the fourth rating, they pretty much multiply by that to 20 by the string, by the third string, and times that by 50 divided by 100 by plus 0.5. And that's how you get these numbers over here. And so when I entered that code, I graded it. Everything was good. And that has been my presentation concluded. My name is Kwame Jackson, and I'm out.